Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions, one epic showdown at a time. Today, we've got a drone duel that's hotter than your grandma's homemade chili. On my left, we have the LMRC-12 drone, and on my right, the ATTOP W10 drone. It's the battle of the skies, folks. Alright, let's kick things off with the camera quality. Because, let's be real, if your drone can't take a decent selfie, what's the point? The LMRC-12 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and dual camera, switching for those who can't decide on just one angle. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 also rocks a 1080p HD camera, but with a wider 120 degrees view. Reviewers say the LMRC-12 captures good video quality for its price, while the W10's wider lens ensures you get more in your frame. The LMRC-12 says, "I'll get your good side," while the W10 says, "I'll get your entire side." Next up, ease of use. The LMRC-12 is like that reliable friend who always shows up on time. It has headless mode, one key start landing, and even hand gesture photo/video. It's so simple, even your dog could probably fly it. On the other hand, the W10 has some tricks up its sleeves with toss to launch, one key takeoff landing, and altitude hold. It's like the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Reviewers for the LMRC-12 love its user-friendly design, while W10 users appreciate its fun and easy setup. You can literally throw it in the air and it'll start flying. Talk about dramatic entrances. Now, let's talk about flight functions. The LMRC-12 is like that kid in school who was good at everything. It has 3-level flight speeds, a brushless motor for strong wind resistance, and even a path drawing feature. Draw a path on your app, and this drone will follow it like it's on a mission from the drone gods. The W10, however, is the class clown who also aces all his tests. It supports 360 degrees free flips, headless mode, and trajectory fly. Plus, it has 3 gear speeds for when you want to impress the neighbors or scare the cat. Reviewers note the LMRC-12's stability and control, while the W10 is praised for its exciting tricks. Time to talk endurance. The LMRC-12 comes with 2 high-capacity modular batteries that give you a solid 26 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film an entire episode of your favorite sitcom. The W10, however, didn't specify flight time in the description, but reviewers mention that it has a shorter battery life and longer charging time. So let's just say it's probably like that friend who always leaves the party early. You don't know when it'll happen, but it will. Safety first, folks. The LMRC-12 is certified by several inspection agencies in the US, so you know it's legit. Reviewers appreciate its durability and the ease of swapping out parts. The W10 comes with 4 propeller guards to keep your fingers safe and the drone in one piece. Plus, it has a high-quality ABS material for the blades and a remote that screams at you when the battery's low. It's like having a personal drone nanny. Reviewers note the W10's durability and safety features as a big plus for kids. Overall, reviewers find the LMRC-12 to be a solid, user-friendly drone with great stability and good video quality for its price. However, it does have some issues with the app and instructions. The ATTOP W10 is praised for its innovative features and ease of use, especially for beginners and kids, but it has a shorter battery life and some control issues. So which drone should you invite to your next aerial adventure? The LMRC-12, with its longer flight time and dual cameras? Or the ATTOP W10 with its wide-angle lens and toss-to-launch flare. Both drones are under $80, so you won't have to sell a kidney to get one. Personally, I'm leaning towards the W10, because who wouldn't want to impress their friends by throwing a drone in the air? But hey, that's just me. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high, stay smart, and see you next time.